I found this precious photo album and I just want to share. This was when I already left for the US. 2001. I left at 99, so we continued to have bulbuls. This is my brother. And look at these. My dad always make the place we stayed in our apartment a conducive place for having birds. This is the nest, right? We made sure they have a nest and they like to hang out here in the basket. See? For food and water. These are still little kids. It's such a long time ago. I've always had bulbuls or birds, actually. I've always had birds all my life. This was my brother's, I remember. This was my brother's. Mine already have a lot of kids and nests by our house, close to our house. They like to shower here. A bowl with stones. They like to shower here and water. There. Wow, look at them showering. They're just the cutest things. Just want to share. Our bulbul ancestor. I always tell Kato these are bulbul ancestors. So my mom with a bulbul and my dad with one on his shoulder. Aw, I love you, bulbuls and daddy. He's always so kind. My dad. This one is Papa Buddy. Yeah, Papa find Buddy and then give Buddy to the mommy. It's all very nice. This one all ancestral. This photo all ancestral one. You see? Yeah, this one ancestor photo. See? Ancestor. Ancestor, okay? Yeah, a lot of friends here. Okay, see some friend here. See some friend here. So many friends. Good boy. These are all your ancestors, baby boy. All your ancestors, okay? See here. All ancestors, okay?